Hello everyone, today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a single crochet foundation chain. So I basically start with my slip knot and then I'm going to chain 2. Now from here you're going to go into the first chain that you made, yarn it over, pull up your loop. Now when making a single crochet you would just normally yarn over and pull through 2. But for your foundation chain, yarn over then pull through 1. That will act as your chain part for the bottom. Then yarn it over and pull through both. That is going to be your single crochet. So when you look at it up close now, you have your 2 loops from the single crochet and then the chain part that you made right here. So insert your hook into that chain part, yarn it over, pull up your loop. Now yarn it over and pull through 1 to make your next chain space. Yarn it over and pull through your 2 for the single crochet. And then if you look at it again, now you have your 2 loops from the single crochet and then the chain piece you made from that first pull through. So depending on how many stitches your pattern says that you're following or that you're creating on your own, go for as many as you need. So yarn it over, pull through the 1 for your chain part, yarn it over, and pull through your 2 for the single crochet part. And you would keep going into that chain bit right there. So if you look at it closely, it's going to start looking like a chain on the bottom, single crochets on the top. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the box below. Go ahead and look out for the next video on how to crochet a half double crochet foundation chain.